What am I eating today? One of the typical meals that I will eat, it's all one ingredient foods. You can identify the foods. This is boiled eggs, chopped up with salt and pepper. This is stir fry. It's cabbage, carrots, garlic, celery, and parsley, all fresh, all chopped up and fried in a cast iron frying pan with a little bit of butter or olive oil. Cucumbers, tomatoes. Now, this is a smaller plate. I would be having more of this. I'd probably have double that size if I'm eating 2 meals a day. If I'm eating 3 meals a day, I can have a little bit less. I'd probably have 2 or 3 eggs worth. When you are intermittent fasting, you got to eat quite a bit when you actually have your meals, or you're going to just not have enough energy. So I'm getting my fiber, I'm getting some protein, and I don't have to count anything, and I'm not going to overeat any of this. I know it's fueling my body, but I'm not tempted to overeat this. So this is a very typical meal for me. I do try to cook as many vegetables as possible because that actually is easier to digest, cooked vegetables, because the cooking helps to break down the fiber, and especially if you're going to fry it, then you aren't losing any nutrients in the liquid if you, say, boiled some vegetables and then threw the liquid away. So I like frying it in a cast iron pan because it's cast iron. I'm getting a little bit of iron. So that's what I'm eating today. Thanks so much for watching.